Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to install RDQ, the Raindrop Central Progression System for Minecraft servers. In just a few minutes, we'll install the plugin, automatically configure permissions with LuckPerms, create the Raindrop currency, and take a look at RDQ's requirements and rewards system. RDQ supports Spigot, Paper, and Folia, and works on Minecraft server versions 1.19 through 1.21.11. Before installing RDQ, your server needs a few plugins. First is rcore, which is the free core dependency used by all Raindrop Central plugins. rcore provides shared systems like player data, statistics, and services used across the Raindrop Central ecosystem. Second is LuckPerms, which RDQ uses to manage rank permissions and progression groups. Finally, you'll need an economy plugin. RDQ supports any Vault-compatible economy, but if you want multiple currencies, RDQ also integrates directly with JEX Economy. Once you have rcore, LuckPerms, and an economy plugin installed, you're ready to install RDQ. To install RDQ, download the plugin and place it in your server's plugins folder. Then restart the server. When the server starts, RDQ will automatically generate its configuration files. Now that you have installed RDQ and started the server, it's time to log into your Minecraft server. For this guide, I have given myself OP. To access RDQ's setup tools, open the admin interface using the command /rqadmin. This GUI contains the tools used to configure permissions, currencies, and plugin integrations. Inside the admin panel, you'll find tools designed to configure LuckPerms automatically. The first button allows admins to add recommended plugin permissions for quick play. This option applies a basic permission structure designed for typical server ecosystems, including plugins such as RDQ, RDR, RDS, MCMO, Aura Skills, Jobs Reborn, and other commonly used plugins. These permissions allow players to immediately begin interacting with core gameplay systems without requiring manual configuration for every plugin. The second tool automatically creates the LuckPerms rank groups based on the RDQ configuration. When this tool runs, RDQ will create necessary permission rank groups, apply the correct inheritance structure, and assign required RDQ permissions. After running the tool, you can open LuckPerms and see the groups created automatically. From there, server owners can add additional permissions from other plugins to the appropriate LuckPerms groups. These permissions will become available upon completion of the rank associated with the LuckPerms group. The next button in the admin panel is the Plugin Integration Management view. This menu supports RDQ configuration for third-party supported plugins. The first tool you will find in the Plugin Integration Management view is the Currency Creation tool. RDQ will automatically detect any supported economy plugin installed on the server. If Vault or JEX Economy is available, this tool allows you to create the default RDQ currency called Raindrops. With a single click, RDQ registers the currency and makes it available for rewards and progression. RDQ also integrates with supported skill plugins such as MCMO and Aura Skills, job plugins such as Jobs Reborn and EcoJobs, as well as Placeholder API. Inside the Plugin Integration Management view, RDQ will automatically detect compatible plugins installed on the server. Admins can open this menu and view all detected integrations. When selecting a detected skill or job plugin, RDQ will automatically inject example requirements into the configuration files that are specific to that plugin. These defaults are designed as working examples and quick play setups. Server owners can modify or replace any of these requirements directly in the configuration files to match their server's progression system. This is a premium feature and is required to purchase the plugin in order to unlock the configuration settings and change the configs. Raindrop Central plugins also support automatic player localization. RDQ detects language set in the player's Minecraft client and displays messages and GUI text in that language. Raindrop Central includes 24 languages by default, and if a player changes their Minecraft language, the plugin will automatically switch to the correct translation. Server owners can also add additional languages by placing new translation files in the translations folder, which RDQ will automatically detect. Requirements System Overview. Now let's take a look at the system that powers RDQ, Requirements. Requirements define what a player must do before completing a quest, unlocking a perk, or obtaining a rank. The core requirement types include item, currency, experience level, permission, location, playtime, time-based, jobs, and skills. For more advanced logic, you can also use composite requirements, which combine multiple requirements, or choice requirements, which allow players to complete one of several options. By default, requirements can be partially turned in, giving server owners full control over the system. Players are able to turn in items and currency, then later return to complete the requirement. Please note that requirements can only be changed in the Premium Edition. Reward System Overview. RDQ rewards are granted upon completing a quest, unlocking a perk, or obtaining a rank. Reward types include item rewards, currency rewards, experience, command execution, permission granting, sound effects, particle effects, teleport actions, and vanishing chests. Rewards can also use composite or choice structures to create more complex progression systems. All of these requirements and rewards are visible inside the RDQ GUI. Players can view their progression paths and unlock perks as they complete requirements. Server owners can design complex progression systems through configuration, while players interact with everything through a clean in-game interface. And that's the basic setup for RDQ. We installed a plugin, configured permissions automatically with LuckPerms, created the raindrop currency, explored plugin integrations, and looked at the powerful requirements and rewards system. If you want to learn more about advanced configurations, check the documentation below or the link to the Discord server. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you build an amazing server for you and your players.